13 Budgie sounds and what they mean. Budgies like to talk and make different noises, especially first thing in the morning when awakening. They make a wide range of sounds, and each call has a different meaning. You can better understand and communicate with a budgie by understanding its vocalization. What do budgie noises mean? While it may sound like random chatter, budgies make different vocalizations to communicate with each other, express their emotions, and warn flock members of danger. Budgies are naturally chatty birds, so you should expect a budgie to constantly make different sounds. Silence or a reduction in noise usually means your budgie is scared, upset, or sick. Happy budgie noises, meaning chattering, content, usually budgie noise, whistling, happy listening to music, beak, grinding, content, relaxed, feeling happy and excited, singing, happy, singing along, wobbling, wooing a mate, looking for attention, talking, excited and attentive, mimicking sounds, excited and attentive. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell.
This is the life of Bohemia.